Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Natural fruit juices are rich in antioxidant and fibers. They are a good option to lower the level of bad cholesterol in the blood and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attack, atherosclerosis and stroke. In today's video, you will learn how to make a delicious juice at home which will not only be tasty but it will lower the level of cholesterol and triglycerides naturally. To prepare this juice, you will need number 1 half cup of finely chopped cucumber with peel. It's rich in fiber and antioxidants and helps decrease body fat by lowering the level of bad cholesterols, LDL and triglycerides. Number 2 half cup of finely chopped unpeeled beets. We talked about the benefits of beets in our previous video. For those who missed it, according to an Irish study, beetroot juice helps control cholesterol level. Number 3 half cup of finely chopped eggplant with peel. Eggplants also help to lower the level of bad cholesterol, LDL. Number 4 half cup of chopped onion without skin. It has been proven that onions prevent the formation of blood clots, improves blood circulation, prevent aging of the arteries and veins and regulates cholesterol level. Number 5 juice of a lemon. Rich in vitamin C, it improves the elasticity of the arteries, prevents the formation of fatty deposits and also lower the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. Number 6 1 glass of water. Steps: first, sanitize all the ingredients well, then put all the ingredients in a blender. Number 2 add the water and mix everything well. To lower the cholesterol levels in the blood, you can drink 1 glass 200 milliliters of this juice every day with one of the meals, for example with breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's important that you prepare the drink only with fresh unpeeled fruits in order to lower the bad cholesterol. It is also recommended to exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet. Avoid alcoholic beverages and fatty and sugary foods. Also, don't forget to comment down below when do you prefer to have your juice, in the morning when you wake up or after or with a meal. I wish you all a good health. I request all of you to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water, at least 2.5 liters per day, and say no to junk food and choose high fiber foods and exercise daily. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Ayurvedic remedies.